Welcome to Ramp. We're thrilled to have your team on board. First, you'll notice that there is an in-app setup guide, which is a great onboarding resource as your team is getting up and running with Ramp. You can see the various steps you need to take with accompanying video guides to the right-hand side of the page. Once you're ready to take that action in the product, you can get there quickly by clicking the name of the task, which will bring you directly to the task within Ramp. As you complete steps in this guide, your progress will be reflected at the top of the page, letting you know how close you are to maximizing your time and money savings fully within Ramp. You can connect your bank account by clicking into Settings on the left-hand navigation bar and selecting Financial Accounts at the top of the page. From here, you can see your monthly business limit, total linked balance, and which account you are using for your auto pay source. This page will show you which accounts you have already connected to Ramp. If you would like to connect any additional accounts to Ramp, you can do so by clicking Add Account and either searching through Ramp's integrations for your bank or by manually connecting your account by inputting your bank's account information at the bottom. If you have any questions on getting set up, you can reach out to your team's customer success manager or by emailing success@ramp.com. If you run into any issues along the way, Ramp support team can be reached via the chat box within Ramp or by calling 855 206 7283.